Hey yo, what's going on, my beautiful bastard? It's a new rising Frank Lord Flexi Wall, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Like sheesh, man, this is my first banger, and it's about to go down. Trust me, my friends, I'm about to use my life in there. So, like you know the vibes, guys. I'm gonna be doing sneezing prank. I'm saying at the thing here, we'll be doing sneezing prank. It's like I'm sneezing at them. So, whatever it is, however it is, we getting them. Let's go.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
And that's the end of the video, my beautiful people, and thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and enjoy the other bangers coming. And thank you for people who've been showing support, who've been subscribing before I started this content and all. Love you guys. Thank you.